Now, this is what we call the smart shopping. Okay. So we'll discuss some of the options and you have to tell me if you're going to a shopping mall and you're shopping, okay, and you're purchasing something. And so how you'll calculate what is to be done and how the things are to be purchased and to see whether they are of good use or not. So I'm going to ask you a question and two options are given. So you will tell me what will be the appropriate answer for the same. What is the expiry date of a product? So the options are the date on which the product is purchased. Second option, the date after which an item becomes unsafe for use. What do you call that expiry date? Yes, Nitya?
When the date after which an item become unsafe for use.
Yes, correct. So you will not purchase that item, first of all, whenever you go to shopping mall or any market. So first of all, the major thing which you have to see is that the item is not of expiry date. Check the date. It is given at the back where the price tag and everything is there. So you have to check the date of manufacture and the expiry also. Next question is, how do you know if a shopkeeper is charging you the correct amount of an item? The options are, you will check the MRP, the maximum retail price on the packet, or the option B is, I trust the shopkeeper to charge me correctly. So, yes, Araman? Yes,
I
Araman?
check the MRP.
Obviously, you have to check the MRP, that is correct. You cannot trust the shopkeeper because every time he is not going to help you out. Next question is, how do you know if the packet of eatable you are buying is fresh? How do you know the packet of eatable you are buying is fresh? So the options are, I check the date of manufacture and best before date. And B option is, I smell the packet. What you will do? Navya, what you will do?
Ma'am, I check the date of manufacture and best before date.
Correct. You have to check the date of manufacture and best before date. You cannot smell each and every packet if you are going in the...
Always checking.
Sorry? You're saying something? Okay, next question is, do you always prefer to buy a product that comes from a free offer? Children, nowadays, everywhere, whatever is going on, so you will go to shopping malls, any of the shopping center, very big tags of like 30% off, 20% off. Sometimes when their material is unused or has passed 1 or 2 seasons, so what the shopkeepers do, they give a sale out of it so that the old stock will go out and the new ones will come. So, do you always prefer to buy a
When you was
comes
checking.
with the free offer? Navya, you are saying something? Only if I am convinced about the price and the quantity. Next is, yes, I feel I get a good deal. So what will be the correct option? Mayank? Mayank? Yes, you can try.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the correct option for this?
Only if I am convinced about the price and quantity.
About the price and the quantity, correct. Next question, while buying a bottle of mineral water, you find that the seal is broken, okay? What do you do? See, whenever you see any of the product, whether it's a mineral water or any eatable, if you're getting from a shop, please check that the seal is not broken, because if it is broken, that means it is already used or some adulterant has been added. So don't go for it. The options are, I ignore it as I feel it doesn't matter. I get it replaced as the bottle may have been tampered with. Yes, Nehal?
Ma'am, I get replaced as the bottle may have tampered with. Ma'am, B.
Correct. That is the correct option. You always replace it because maybe it is tempered or something has happened with it. So don't go for any free, like any seal is broken, then don't go for it. Next is you find that the product the shopkeeper is giving to you is not in good condition. What you will do? Whatever product shopkeeper is giving is not in good condition. So two options are there. I will not bother about it. I will ask the shopkeeper to replace it. What you will do? I wanted to see some new hands. Who is raising? Others are giving answers every day. I wanted to see somebody. Could not find. Ansh, you can tell me.
I will ask the shopkeeper to replace it.
Okay, you will ask the
Ma'am, B.
shopkeeper to replace it. That means you are fit to go for shopping. Whenever it is a time for Diwali shopping, you ask your father to get the card. Okay, and do lot of shopping because now you are grown enough and know everything what to do. So you will not be cheated in the market or shopping mall. So better go and shop for your family. Mothers will also be free if they will allow to.